All right, the drink we are about to make is a Claridge Cocktail. And we're going to serve this as a martini. So if you want to set your martini glass to the side with some water and ice in it, that'll get it nice and cool for when you're ready to serve the drink. Now we've got our ice in a glass, and we're going to do 1 shot of gin. And follow that up with a shot of dry vermouth. And next we will do a tablespoon of apricot brandy. And also a tablespoon of triple sec. All right. Now let's shake these ingredients up real well. We're going to be serving it up with no ice. So you want to make sure you get it nice and cold so that it'll stay cold while the person is drinking it. There we go. We've got our martini glass and strainer. Go ahead and pour it in. Great. That is a Claridge cocktail. Bottoms up.